how Google AdWords works. The main ingredient that we have on Google AdWords is the keyword. People are using, when your client, your customers come to Google and they are ready to search for something, they use keywords here in order to find your products. And these keywords are the keywords that are related with your business. Later here on the course, we will go step by step. I'll show you step by step how to find the absolute best keywords for your business to make sure that you know how many people are searching for this keyword every month, and you know if these people are looking for your service, for your business, for your products or not. And that is coming in the next videos. But for now, let me show you an example. If we search for example, hotels in New York City, okay, we have an extra S here. Hotels in New York City. Here we have some ads. That means that the keyword we are using here, if I have an hotel on New York City, probably the keyword I will use, one of the keywords I will use here on Google in order to create Google AdWords is the phrase hotels in New York City, okay? Because I have that business that I want to share that with my audience, with my clients. So when somebody comes here to Google and they type hotels in New York City, my ad will show here on the first page, okay? That's the goal. So we will identify here on this course the best keywords for you in order to show your business, your website here on the top results, okay? What happens if more than one company say, okay, this is the keyword for my audience too. So let's say we have 3 hotels in New York City saying, I want to create an ad for this phrase, for this exact phrase. What happened then is Google have a bidding system that will decide, depending on how much you bid for every click, the algorithm will automatically decide which ad to show in the first page, okay? You will understand all that here during the course. So that's it. I hope you are excited. This is super powerful because with Google AdWords, Google is the best search engine in the world. People are using Google every single day, several times a day, to find new products, new services, and new companies. And your company can be the next one that will be in front of millions of people. And I'll show you how to do that, okay? So let's continue with the course. In the next video, I'll show you some examples, real examples of the ads that we are creating. See you there.